Hi everyone. There's been a lot of conversation around Trump's promise of no tax on Social Security, and many people are asking me the same question. Did I actually get that benefit on my tax return? If you're confused, you're not alone, so let's break it down. First, and this part really matters, Social Security is still taxable. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act didn't get rid of taxes on Social Security income altogether. So if you filed your return thinking Social Security would be completely tax-free and then realized it wasn't, that's the reason why. What the law did do was create a temporary additional deduction for taxpayers ages 65 and older. This additional deduction is available regardless of if you itemize or take the standard deduction. Here's how it works. If you're 65 or older, you may qualify for $6,000 if you're filing single, or $12,000 if you're married filing jointly and both spouses are over 65. This applies if your modified adjusted gross income is under $75,000 for single filers or under $150,000 for married couples filing jointly. Once your income goes above those thresholds, the deduction starts to phase out and is completely gone when modified adjusted gross income is at $175,000 for single filers and $250,000 for married couples filing jointly. Let's look at a real example. Say we have a married couple, both over age 65, with modified adjusted gross income of $175,000 in 2025. To calculate the reduction, you'll subtract the $150,000 threshold from their modified AGI of $175,000. This equals $25,000. You'll then multiply the $25,000 by 6% to get the reduction amount of $1,500. This is the reduction for each spouse. So your total deduction would be the $12,000 less the calculated reduction of $3,000, which gives you a total reduced deduction of $9,000. So if you were expecting no tax on Social Security and didn't see it, this is why. The benefit came through as a temporary deduction for tax years 2025 through 2028, not a full tax break, and income determines how much you actually get. If you want help figuring out how this applies to you or how to plan ahead, feel free to reach out. We look forward to hearing from you.